Did you know that the Roman Empire, one of the greatest civilizations in history, is full of mysteries that still baffle experts? From the disappearance of entire legions to the secrets of their unbreakable concrete, these enigmas keep historians guessing. The Roman Empire was a powerhouse of innovation, culture, and conquest. But despite their greatness, there are still secrets buried in their history that we can't quite explain. Today, we're uncovering the unsolved mysteries of the Roman Empire that continue to intrigue and inspire awe. How did the Romans maintain control over such a vast empire? How did they create engineering marvels that defy explanation? And what happened to some of their most famous armies and artifacts? These questions remain unanswered, leaving historians to piece together theories from fragmented evidence. Let's start with the Ninth Legion, a Roman military unit that seemingly vanished without a trace in the 2nd century A.D. Stationed in Britain, their disappearance has sparked countless theories. Were they wiped out in battle, disbanded, or sent on a secret mission? No records survive, leaving this one of Rome's greatest mysteries. And then there's Roman concrete, or opus caementicium. This material was so advanced that structures like the Pantheon and aqueducts still stand today. Modern scientists are only now beginning to understand its unique self-healing properties. But how the Romans perfected this mix remains a closely guarded mystery. Finally, let's talk about the so-called pyramids of Rome, like the Pyramid of Cestius. Built during the Roman Republic, this 120-foot pyramid stands in stark contrast to traditional Roman architecture. Why did the Romans build it? Was it a symbol of Egyptian influence or something more? We still don't know for sure. Perhaps the most compelling mystery lies in the sudden fall of the Roman Empire. Was it barbarian invasions, economic collapse, or even internal corruption? While theories abound, no single explanation seems to cover the scope of this monumental decline, leaving us with more questions than answers. From lost legions to engineering marvels, the mysteries of the Roman Empire remind us of how much there is left to uncover. These secrets continue to captivate us, offering a glimpse into the brilliance and complexity of one of history's greatest civilizations. Which of these mysteries fascinates you the most? Let us know in the comments, and don't forget to check out our next video exploring ancient civilizations and their secrets.